Now, modifying a page setup is very easy. It's just a case of right-click over the tab, whether it's the Model tab or a Layout tab, and into the Page Setup Manager. You select the page setup and you hit Modify. So that takes me into A3 Plate Details Landscape. Now, I might just want to change the plotter. I might just want to go to a DWF, for example. As soon as I do that and click on OK, it prompts me that I've edited the page setup and it's referenced by layouts in the drawing. Would I like to update it? Well, yes, I would. And I would then close the Page Setup Manager. Now, it may be that I want to put this A3 onto an A4 sheet sometimes. So what I might want there, again, is a quick plot, like I set up in the Model tab. So to modify a page setup like that, I right-click, Page Setup Manager, and this is in essence creating a new page setup. But what I'm doing is modifying the existing page setup for a different setting. So I select it like that, click on New, and what I want there is an A4 Plate Details, and I'll call it Quick Plot. So I'll put a dash there, and I'll actually put it in capitals so it stands out. So I know it's a quick plot. So I'll OK that. So that takes on board the properties of the A3 Plate Details Landscape. Can you see that there? Yeah? So what I've got there now is, the name is actually A4 Plate Details Quick Plot until I change it. I want a DWF, but I need to change the sheet size there to an ISO full bleed A4. So I'll change that there to a 297 by 210. What to plot is extent, and I still want to center the plot as well, but I'm just going to fit it on the sheet. I'm not worried about scales or anything like that. What I'll do, I'll make sure it's monochrome there. I'll make sure that landscape is set, and I'll OK that. So there's my A4 Plate Details Quick Plot. So if I double click that one and apply it and close, that is now quickly plotting on an A4 sheet. It doesn't look any different at all, but all I've done is fitted an A3 title border there with my design onto an A4 sheet, so I can quickly plot it out on an A4 printer that might be next to me on my desk rather than going to the plotter room, for example. So that's done. I can easily go back and change it. Right click, Page Setup Manager. I want the A3 Plate Details Landscape. Double click it. It applies that to the current layout, as you can see in the brackets there. I click on Close. Job done. So that's how you modify, and in some respects, create new page setups for your layout tabs, and also you can do exactly the same with your Model tab as well.